Hi everyone. What I would do if I was 25 and just starting to invest in India. So if I was 25 today and just starting my financial journey in India, I would not be chasing the hottest stocks or trying to become a trader overnight. So I would do a few simple things that would completely change my life by the time I hit 35 or 40. So that is what I would do. At 25, most of us are just starting to earn. Salary might not be big. Expenses feel endless and FOMO is everywhere. Crypto, options trading, flashy Instagram finance reels. So it is tempting to think that you are behind. But honestly, starting now is your biggest advantage. You have got time, you have got energy, and you also have compounding on your side. So that's a deadly combo if you use it right. So before I invest a single rupee, I would make sure I am safe. First thing, I'll build a safety net first. I would save 3 to 6 months of expenses as an emergency fund, just in a simple savings account or a liquid mutual fund. Why? Because markets will go up and down. The fluctuations are going to be extreme, just like what we saw last week. It went down 1,000 points and then it went up 1,000 points again. So, because markets will go up and down, if I lose my job or have a health issue or any other concerns, this safety net capital will protect me. So, and yes, I would get a basic health insurance even if I'm healthy and ill. So the next step is to start a small SAP. Focus on habit, not amount. So even 500 rupees a month is fine. So it is not about the amount. It is about building the habit. So where would I put that 500 rupees? One good index fund like Nifty 50 or Next 50, Nifty Next 50. That's it. No need to complicate. Why index funds to start with? Low cost, diversified, and they work because over the long term they beat most active investors, most active traders. So SAP is the eighth world wonder. So, and I would automate it as well. So let it run in the background while I focus on improving my income, improving my job prospects. So the next step is to increase investments every year. So let's say my SIP starts with 500 rupees. Every year, I would increase it by 10 to 20%. Why? Because my salary is growing. So should my investments. So over 10 years, that small 500 rupees can turn into 5,000 to 1,000, 10,000 rupees a month without much effort. So, and this is how wealth is built slowly, quietly, and consistently. So overall, learn the basics. Do not chase hot tips. So I would spend time learning basic finance, not from hype, but from good books and channels that provide quality content. I would understand what equity means, what compounding really is, and how emotions mess up investing. So I would not waste my time chasing penny stocks, pump and dump stock tips, or random influencer advice. The goal is not to look smart, it is to build wealth quietly. So the next step is to focus on earning more. So here is a truth most people do not talk about. You cannot invest what you do not earn. So at 25, I would focus hard on upskilling myself, getting better at my job, freelancing, side hustle, whatever it takes to increase my income. Because if I can grow from 30,000 per month to 1 lakh per month in 5 years, imagine how much money I can invest. Imagine how much wealth I can build by the time I turn 35 or 40. So that's when compounding gets extremely crazy. So, especially after 5 years of your SAP journey, that's when your investing will start multiplying. So, if you're 25, here is what I would say: protect yourself first, have a safety net, start small, but start today. Don't wait for any other things. Invest consistently, learn slowly, focus on earning more. You don't have to be a genius, you just need to be consistent. And 10 years from now, you'll be so glad you started investing today. So if you found this content helpful, drop a comment saying I'm starting today. I would love to know your age and how you are planning to invest. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel. More practical investing videos coming your way. Thank you.